Hello. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to remove the background of a photo in Canva. I'm going to show you how to do it with the Pro version and with the free version. So let me just quickly go with the Pro version as that is pretty easy. So we get a new page and let's look for an element of a cat. I've already looked for a cat, but let's just do that, cat. And you have all these various cats here. So let's look for one. This is a pro version, so you can choose any of these. I do have a pro version, so I can, but let's just choose this one with this background. Okay, so with a pro version, all you have to do is you click it to highlight it. You go to edit image because it's a photo, right? Now, just to go back here, you must click on photos to get that, right? If this is to remove the background of photos. So anyway, you go to edit image and there's one here that says background remover. It has a crown, which means it's for pro, and it says remove the background of your image with one click. So you click that and the program goes to remove it. Now, depending on your speed of the internet connection, it can take a couple of seconds to a bit longer. Okay, it has removed the background. If you see, it's quite a clean removal. You just click apply. Now let's just go to background and look for trees. Okay, for example, click type trees. This is just to show you how it's going to look, and you can do that, and that's it. It's as easy as that, right? Okay, now for the free version. For the free version of Canva, let's just delete all of this for now. Now we go back to elements and we're looking for the cat, right? So we bring up the same photo. Now for this, because it's a free version of Canva, you need to download this. Okay, so this is page 43. So let's go up here to share, click the download button. Now there is a transparent background option here, but that if you can see it's a crown, so it's only available for pro users. So, but that's all right. So you just select the page because otherwise it will download all the pages that you have. So this is page 43. So you click page 43, done, download. So that's going to download it, right? So next you go to this free site. So now you go to this free site. It's called Remove BG. It's www.remove.bg.upload. The link is in the description below. Now you either bring up your downloaded image or you go to your folders and you upload it to this. It says original, so you can see the original was uploaded. Now it's going to remove the background and see. It's as simple as that. It's removed. So now you go to download. You can either download it here. If you think everything is okay, you download it straight. Otherwise, let's say maybe it hasn't removed all the background because the color was the same, and there's some adjustments you need to make. So you just go click edit. You go up here. There is an option here to erase or restore. So you click that. You can either erase it. This is the brush size. Okay, you can erase it. Okay, or you can go. Let's say it erased that. So you can go to restore and you can restore it. Now in my case it was a clean one, so I'll just undo what I just did, and that's it. So here you download it. Okay, so you download the image. So now that we're back in Canva, what you have to do is, I'm just putting it up here so they can see the difference. You have to go to your upload button here. You need to upload that image which you just downloaded, which had its background removed. And once you have uploaded it, you just click it to bring it back in here, and that's it. Okay, so let's just remove that one for now and go back to background, the trees, and there it is. Now you can enlarge it as much as you want. And if you want to preview it, you go to this button here. See the arrow buttons? You click it, and it will show you how it looks. Want to get out of it, you just go back down here, those arrows, and that's how it is. So I do hope you like this quick tutorial. It's very simple. Just to recap, if you have the pro version, all you have to do is highlight your photo, go to edit image, and then there is a option for you to remove the background with one click. If you have the free Canva, you choose your image, you download it, okay, as a PNG or JPEG. PNG is best. You go to the website called www.removebg/upload. The link is in the description below. And you upload that image that you had just downloaded. It will automatically remove the background. You make the adjustments if you need to. Download it, come back to Canva, upload it, and then click it to place it in your page. It's actually fairly easy. Once you've done it once, you know how to do it. So I hope you like this. If you did, please do comment, like if you did like it. And if you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Bye.